If you want to transfer files using Quick Share on your Google Pixel 10 Pro, then what you can do is, for example, go to the Files app. You can actually find the Quick Share option in pretty much every app where you have sharing option in general. And of course, the Files app by Google is one of the examples. And if you want to transfer something, then at the bottom you should be able to find this button with the circle and 2 arrows going inside. This is the Quick Share. Over here we can see that we are ready to receive, but we can also select files that we want to send. So we can go ahead and try to find apps that we want to transfer. We can do this way, or you can, for example, go through any of these categories in order to try to find your file. You can, for example, tap on these 3 dots on the right side in order to select the file, and then we should be able to find the share button over here in the upper right corner, so you can share like this as well. And then over here we have Quick Share. So let's say I'm gonna try to transfer this file. Over here we are looking for nearby devices. We can also use a QR code in order to scan this QR code on our other Android device. So now on my other phone I can just try to scan the QR code over here. There we go, and let's just try to open the link. And if the connection happens, you should be able to receive the selected file over here. Of course, you can select multiple files at once, and you can transfer pretty much every file from your phone like this. And that is essentially it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.